Today let us discuss about present continuous tense. So before that I will introduce myself. My name is Srinivas Reddy. I am communication skills trainer. I have been in this field for last 2 decades. See, today let us discuss about present continuous tense or present progressive. Progressive or present running action we can use. So here questions, how to ask the questions, present running questions, present progressive questions, how to ask. See, today present continuous tense. First start with am, is, are, right? Again subject, shortcut sub plus verb 1, ing, ing plus object and question mark. So like this. So general ga you are coming antaru. So that is not correct. Are you coming? Are you coming now? So before subject you can use helping verb or finite verbs. Question is different, answer is different. You are coming means మీరు వస్తున్నారు. మీరు వస్తున్నారా అని అడగాలంటే ఆర్ యూ కమింగ్ లైక్ దిస్. అతను వస్తున్నాడా? ఈజ్ హీ కమింగ్? ఈజ్ హీ కమింగ్ నౌ? యామ్ ఐ టీచింగ్ వెల్? లైక్ దిస్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ సి మోడల్ 2 యామ్ నాట్ని షార్ట్కట్లో యామింట్, ఈజింట్ అండ్ ఆంట్ ప్లస్ సబ్జెక్ట్, అగైన్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ వర్బ్ 1 ప్లస్ ఐఎన్జీ plus object question mark. Question mark compulsory. This is questions. I am teaching today questions. Questions is very very important. Answer you can manage. Question is very important. మీరు ఇప్పుడు రావటం లేదా అంటే ఆర్ఇంట్ యూ కమింగ్ నౌ? అతను రావటం లేదా? ఈజింట్ హీ కమింగ్ నౌ? నీకు అర్థమవుతుందంటే ఆర్ యూ అండర్స్టాండింగ్? నీకు అర్థం కావటం లేదా? ఆర్ఇంట్ యూ అండర్స్టాండింగ్? దిస్ ఇస్ పాజిటివ్ క్వశ్చన్, నెగటివ్ క్వశ్చన్. So sometimes you can ask, are you understanding what I am teaching? We can also ask like this. Isn't he understanding? అతనికి అర్థం కావటం లేదా? Like that. See, next model 2. This is model 1, model 2. Model 3, interrogative words. Shortcut, int words, interrogative words plus same, this structure, am, is, are plus subject compulsory, subject, v1 plus ing plus object, question mark. Right. So interrogative words, already we have written here. Interrogative words, what, what, when, where, which, etc. These are called interrogative words or WH words. So here we can interrogative words am, is, are plus subject plus v1 plus ing plus object. See, for example, what are you doing now? Where are you going now? Okay, next, why are you coming late? So present continuous tense and simple present tense. What is the difference? Simple present tense, regular actions. So this is present continuous tense, nothing but temporary present. Temporary present means at the time it is going on. So we are learning questions here, how to ask. Do you come daily? That is regular. Are you coming now? This is at present, at the moment are you coming? At the moment aren't you coming? Like this. Interrogative words, what, where, when, which, how much, you can use interrogative words or WH words plus helping verb plus subject, v1 plus ing plus subject. Next, here see, who separate structure. Who వచ్చినప్పుడు సబ్జెక్ట్ రాకూడదు. Who plus am, is, are, okay, plus v1 plus ing plus object. Like this. Very easy. We can ask the questions very easily. You can ask questions. See, ఎవరు వస్తున్నారు ఇప్పుడు? Who is coming now? ఎవరు టీచ్ చేస్తున్నారు? Who is teaching now? వాళ్ళెవరు? Who are they? Like this. Next one, why, last structure, why plus same, this structure should write here. Tell me, amint, am not in shortcut la, amint, isn't, aren't plus subject, again subjects plus v1 plus ing plus object. Same like this, we can write any sentences we can write here. Number of sentences, same format. Questions, వై ఆర్ంట్ యూ కమింగ్ నౌ? ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఎందుకు రావటం లేదు? ఇప్పుడు నా ఫోన్ మీరు ఎందుకు లిఫ్ట్ చేయటం లేదు? వై ఆర్ంట్ యూ ఆన్సరింగ్ మై ఫోన్? వై ఆర్ంట్ యూ లిఫ్టింగ్ మై ఫోన్? వై ఆర్ంట్ యూ రెస్పాండింగ్? సో వై డోంట్ యూ రెస్పాండ్, దట్ ఈస్ రెగ్యులర్ సెన్స్, దట్ ఈస్ సింపుల్ ప్రజెంట్. రెగ్యులర్లో వై డోంట్ యూ రెస్పాండ్, బట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ టెంపరరీ ప్రజెంట్. at the moment, why aren't you responding my phone? Why isn't he responding my phone? Suppose we are talking about third person, why isn't he lifting my phone? Why isn't he studying well? Sometimes you can also ask state, also you can ask state. State means there is no V1 plus ing. Why isn't he in the office? Why aren't they in office? You can also ask like this. Running action and state. There are two types of sentence in English language. One is event and another is state. State means there is no main verb. There is no main verb. Suppose sometimes you can remove this one also. Are you happy? That's also present continuous tense. It is state. Is he doctor? You can also ask. Is he coming? That is event. Is he a doctor? That is state. Two types of sentence in English language. For example, I have been teaching spoken English. It is event. I have been in spoken English field. It is state. He has been doing real estate for 10 years. It is event. He has been in real estate. That is state. I am teaching. That is event. I am a teacher. That is state. State, event. There are two types of sentence in English language. State means there is no main verb. State, there is no main verb. That is called state. If there is a verb means general verb. It is called event. Likewise, see here also, our understanding here also, why isn't he in office and why isn't he responding? So this is the present continuous tense. Questions very, very important. Right here, questions. These are called questions. Our understanding, questions. How many types of question total? 5 models. Simple present tense 5, present continuous tense 5. Total how many tenses? 12 subtenses. See 12. 12 subtenses. 12 into 5, how many? 60. 60 structures we should learn. So almost all simple present tense 5 structures completed, and present continuous tense also 5. Totally 10 structures have been completed successfully. So the remaining 50 structures will be taught in next lesson. So if you learn like this, definitely you will be able to speak English how we speak mother tongue. Like that you should be able to speak English. This is the only way to improve your communication skills, effective communication skills, effective how you speak in mother tongue. Like that question is different, answer is different. చాలా మంది తెలియదు యు ఆర్ కమింగ్ అంటారు, కానీ అట్లా కాదు. ఆర్ యూ కమింగ్? ఈజ్ హీ కమింగ్? లైక్ దిస్ వీ షుడ్ ఆస్క్ ఎవ్రీ క్వశ్చన్ లైక్ దిస్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఓన్లీ వే యూ కెన్ రైట్ 100 of sentence like this. Okay, thank you very much. This is the only way.